Hey guys, it's Trushank, your host for this channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the most burning question. And the question is, when can we expect the next FSW draw for Canadian Express entry? Guys, we all know that the last draw had happened in the month of December 2020. And since then, we haven't witnessed a single FSW draw. The year 2021 so far is all about PNPs and Canadian Experience class. So, in today's video, I am going to discuss certain developments which had happened recently, and those are the clear-cut indication that we could witness the FSW draw, the next FSW draw within no time. So, let's discuss those developments. CIC has recently updated the proof of fund. Let me tell you guys, proof of fund is required for FSW and Outland applicants. CEC, Canadian Experience class, is exempt from proof of fund requirement. So there are some speculation ongoing that we could not witness any FSW draw in the year 2021, which is not true, because if they wouldn't want to conduct a FSW draw in the year 2021, then they wouldn't have updated their proof of fund. So guys, wait patiently and you can see next FSW draw within 15 days or probably 10 days or within a month. This is the first indication. Second thing, they have reduced the timeline to 60 days for submission of your application. Guys, before COVID era, CIC allowed us 60 days to submit our application. But since COVID had happened and because of travel restriction and lockdown, they have extended that period to 90 days. But since the things are coming back towards normalcy in almost many countries, they have reduced the timeline to 60 days. It means things are becoming normal in Canada and in other parts, so they have reduced the timeline. So this is another hint that we could expect a next FSW draw within a shorter period of time. The third and most important thing is last year's trend. Guys, if you can check the last year, when the COVID pandemic had started in the month of March in almost entire world, the CIC had stopped conducting the draws. They haven't conducted the FSW draws in the months between March to July. And when the cases have dropped in Canada and in other parts of the world, they have started conducting the draws, and they have conducted FSW draws in the months between July to December 2020. So yes guys, we can follow the last year trend as well. On top of that, this year we have vaccination. If you can check the website, you will find that 40 to 50% of Canadian population has received their both the doses. It's phenomenal number guys compared to other countries, and 70 to 80% of Canadians have received their at least one dose. So last year we haven't had any remedy, at least this year we have vaccination. So yes guys, we could expect FSW draws. Yes, they might ask you for they might ask you to be fully vaccinated before entering in their country, but again, it's not a big deal. You can book your appointment for vaccination in your own country and you can check out the vaccines which are valid in Canada. Fourth and most important thing is resumption of Canadian immigration services. Guys, now you can book your upfront medical examination for student visa or immigration purpose. You can book your biometric appointment and we can expect passport submission within couple of days. So they have started almost all the immigration services except FSW draw. It means we are inching towards the FSW draw. Guys, like all of you, I am also waiting for the FSW draw to be happen, because I am sitting at the CRS score of 478. So let's hope that we could expect the next FSW draw in the month of July. I wish you all the very best. Thanks a lot. I hope this information would be a great sort of relief, and stay tuned for such immigration updates. Thanks a lot and bye for now.